Roll your brownie mix in there. Gonna drop an egg down in that bitch. Why it ain't a 1/3 cup on this motherfucker? Why I gotta use this big motherfucker right here to get a 1/3 of a cup? And you drop your 1/3 of your motherfucking oil up in that motherfucker. Okay. The big spoon is a tablespoon, so you're going to need 2 big spoons, which is really equal to a tablespoon if you're from the hood. Because we not buying no motherfucking special spoons, honey. This ain't my motherfucking mixer from 1967, so don't judge his mixer. And me, I'm going to use a motherfucking mixer. If you got some sense, you'll use a mixer too. My wrist is already limp as a motherfucker. I do not need no extra tension. I just threw in a handful, a little palm full of chocolate chips. Don't want a whole lot because a lot of chocolate going in here. But if you're a big motherfucker with a big hand, you're going to get a whole lot of chips. 3 Oreos in there. I crunched them up a little bit in my hand and threw them right in there over top the bowl. You don't need no mallet and no special utensils to crunch up no goddamn cookies. Honey, throw them damn cookies in that bitch. You want to do a light little mix with the spoon because when you eat it, you want to chop into an Oreo. You don't want to crunch the Oreos all up. You know what I mean? Shit, don't ask me no whole bunch of motherfucking questions. Just do it how I say do it, shit. Spray your pans generously. Honey, you're feeding yourself, not the motherfucking pan. Okay? And don't use no big-ass pan. I know them big-ass pans they be using on the box as false advertisement, but you know the motherfucking mix is stingy as hell. Here's your last little step of chocolate. Chocolate syrup. And we're going to do a boom cat around her little swirl. We could do a little extra. Okay, we did a little swirl. Take the back of your spoon. This is just the back of my spoon, honey. Because you're not wasting a whole bunch of motherfucking dishes in my house. So this is what it should look like if you did your lady marmalade correctly. And you better bring your ass to the store to get your own ice cream. Because your boyfriend too busy playing his game to come to the store while you bake the brownies. So, tree fitted for 25 minutes. And this is what you got. A boom cack. It's giving Puss. It's giving me Puss. Yes. This is what I want to see.
I'll see you, Puss.